Hi, I am Varun Raghavan. Selecting a data center is the most critical decision that a CIO can make. You're concerned about security, about uptime, about the scalability to meet your growth needs. We hear you and know that you want a data center provider whom you can trust through this journey. We are Tata Communications, a leader in the data center services space. And today, I'm here to talk to you about the newest addition in our portfolio of data center assets. We're part of the $100 billion Tata Group, one of the most trusted conglomerates globally. We have data centers in 42 locations across the world, spanning global commercial hubs such as London, New York, Singapore, as well as locations which have cable landing capacity. These 42 data centers are connected by the most extensive submarine cable footprint in the industry and are underpinned by the fastest growing IP network globally. In India, we're the only provider of pan-national data center services. We have data centers in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Calcutta, and Chennai. We have 500,000 square feet of data center capacity, and we are right now doubling that over the next 3 years. Each site is purpose-built in locations that have been chosen for their suitability as data center sites. Our latest data center is right in the heart of Greater Kailash in New Delhi. GK is known for its high-quality air, soil, and power, an ideal location for a data center. This data center has been designed and developed by the most experienced data center team in the world with specific focus on scalability, security, uptime, and efficiency.
I'm very excited today on the launch of our Delhi data center, the latest in the global portfolio of our data center assets. If you look back in the recent years, there has been an explosive growth of data being generated around the world. For example, 90% of the data stored in the world was generated just in the last 2 years. So if you extrapolate this, looking ahead for the next few years, we can't even fathom the amount of data we're going to generate around the world. So data centers have become very mission critical to enterprises and internet companies around the world. We at Tata Communications are committed to building world-class state-of-the-art data centers around the world. This data center is nearly 200,000 square feet and can scale to 10 megawatts of power. Our customers, our demanding customers in India, as well as multinationals who come to India to serve the market in India and around the world, would find this data center to be a very strategic asset as part of their growing expansion plans.
We take the issue of security very seriously in Tata Communications. The new IDC that is coming up in GK1 New Delhi has got 5 levels of security, which includes both physical and electronic security systems. The physical security systems has a boundary wall with a smart grid fence, the barriers, the bollards, and the access control right at the gate. The entry to the IDC floors is through a man trap and a biometric system. We also have a robust electronic security system which includes the CCTV and the access control systems. In addition to this, if the customers require, they can opt for the managed security services which guarantees data, network and application security.
To ensure data center uptime, you have to do 2 things right. 1, get the design right, and 2nd, maintain extreme high levels of operational discipline. We have belts and braces philosophy to our data center design. We have an energy efficient power system. Power source 33 kV HTA switchboard having 2 incomers from BRPL, 2.5 MVA transformers N+1. The UPS is of 500 kVA into 6 and suitable for providing 20-minute backup on full load on each bank. The diesel generators are of 2.5 MVA each. Our cooling system works with chill water piping pumps. All these systems are managed 24/7 by highly experienced data center professionals by using state-of-the-art automated tools like CMMS, PMS, DCIM.
IT equipments are like power-hungry beasts. By managing data center at high level of efficiency, we can help manage the carbon footprint of IT equipments in our data center. We designed our data center considering some of the best features in energy efficiency. These are free air cooling, cold air containment, chill water cooling, and geothermal cooling. Also on power efficiency, we are using high efficiency UPS systems and solar power. All this is within the framework of Tata Communications' commitment towards sustainability, which is also evident from the global reporting initiatives as well as carbon disclosure project.
Our latest data center in Greater Kailash, that's in Delhi, that has the biggest uniqueness in terms of one, it comes from a trusted brand, Tata Communication. Number two, the redundant network capability which we have built. And then apart from this, if I look at that, the biggest advantage, which you may call it as a air quality, you may call it as a soil quality, which comes under environmental support, which basically has a huge impact on how servers or the machines which are being hosted in our data center, which has the biggest long life in terms of it actually. And finally, when you look at it, why GK, why not any other locations if you take it? One, it has the skill set, the kind of people who have been deployed to monitor and then manage, and the kind of global scale and the expertise which we are able to provide for the businesses to utilize the kind of services is the one which we bring in as Tata Communications. We have the global scale and the expertise to run your businesses effortlessly.
Peace of mind is what you need when selecting a data center partner. Peace of mind is exactly what you get from Tata Communications.